What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be installing the Bight Box Anytime. It allows you to run your fog lights at any time. You can run it with your high beams, your low beams, or anything. It gives you full access to your fog lights, and let's get to it. So here's the Bight Box Anytime. It's super simple to install. You just connect it to your fog light, and then you run the cord up to your battery to power the box, and then it comes to the factory OEM style switch. So it's extremely plug and play. You just plug it in and you're good to go. Okay, so I've got everything wired up and routed. Here's the Bight Box. It sits right there. There's a screw and self-adhesive tape. And then it just connects straight to the battery here. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on and show you how it works. So there it is, guys. The Bight Box Anytime gives you full and complete control of your fog lights. You can turn them on whenever you want. There's no restrictions, and it's a great modification. I'm super excited to be able to use it in my truck. See you guys next time.